मैंने जो हाउस हंटिंग की वीडियोस डाली थी, दे बिकेम सो पॉपुलर दैट पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया अप्रोच्ड मी एंड यू नो एज दो कि मैं बड़ी कोई रियल एस्टेट एजेंट हूँ एंड दे आर आस्किंग मी धड़ाधड़ यहाँ पे कितने का मिलेगा, उतना कितने का मिलेगा. मैंने कहा यार ये दिस वाज जस्ट अ पर्सनल सर्च ऑफ माइन एंड दिस वाज नॉट इंटेंडेड फॉर एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ बिजनेस, बट the journey changed for me because a lot of my known people started contacting me कि this is our requirement, हमारे को 2 BHK चाहिए या 3 BHK चाहिए, this is our workplace, this is where our kids plan to study, so based on that can you suggest some properties. तो मैंने तो जितना अपना हाउस हंटिंग का जर्नी शेयर किया उतना ही आई कुड शेयर बट जब इस तरीके की रिक्वायरमेंट्स आई, देन आई जस्ट डग अ लिटिल डीपर एंड आई थॉट यार इंटरेस्टिंग है, व्हाई नॉट मेक दिस माय वर्क. सो आई कनेक्टेड विद अ फ्यू पीपल आई नो इन दिस फील्ड एंड they said that why don't you start working as a channel partner. Now channel partner is basically a person who's just doing the PR and marketing and just advertising in their own way to kind of promote the property, either it's a builder's property or it's a client property or somebody who just wants to do a resale. So rentals are not involved in this, but it's mainly the sale, this thing. But on a personal note, if anybody does want to approach for rentals, they can. तो मेरे जो माई गेट ऐप के ऊपर जो मेरा पर्सनल ऐप है सोसाइटी का, उसके ऊपर अगर कुछ आ गया, so I'm happy to help. But yeah, I mean, this is something that interested me. PR, advertising, marketing is my background in studies, and I felt that also it's a different industry, but it's also good to use my skill set in this, and it's a good growing and very very boisterous industry here in Hyderabad. So I feel I just might do good. And I feel a good vibe with this. And बस घूमना मुझे बहुत पसंद है, hunting का मेरे को शौक है. I have this little Dora inside of me, that Dora the Explorer. तो आओ, there's a requirement of a 2 BHK for one of my uncles, and उनको stand alone भी चलेगा. He's going to be living alone for about 1.5 years. So he thought, why give rent? What if I'm able to make some good property around here, which also is in a good location, and अच्छा rental भी मिल सकता है और आगे अच्छी sale value भी मिल सकती है. So he's open to a standalone building. It's basically 1235 SFT in Nalagandla area. To get a little idea, it is actually very close to all the Aparna Towers and Neo Mall that has just come up. So location is good and standalone building hai. This is a ground plus 5 standalone building in Nalagandla area. It's Sukriti Vilas. Let's enter. It's the 5th floor and 1235 SFT as I mentioned. This is the living room. एंड बहुत अच्छे से इन्होंने पेंट वगैरह कराया हुआ. इट्स अ फ्रेशली डन अप हाउस. द फॉल सीलिंग एंड द लाइटिंग इज़ रियली नाइसली डन अप. दिस इज़ द लिविंग रूम एंड नाउ वी आर एंटरिंग द hall. So basically this is the dining area and the entertainment area. So if you want to divide it, दोनों तरीके से वो भी आप कर सकते हो, or you can make it like one full unit. They've given a very good storage, this is basically for the files or any decor pieces that you want to keep. थोड़ा सा I mean आजकल लोग नहीं रखते हैं, but if somebody is living alone and they want to kind of keep all their work files and all, then that's a good space. This is the second bedroom, which is connected next to the entertainment area where the TV unit is. इस घर की प्लस पॉइंट ये है दैट दे हैव गिवन वेरी गुड स्टोरेज यूनिट्स फ्रॉम फ्लोर टू सीलिंग एंड वॉल टू वॉल, जो कि मैंने बहुत सारे घर देखा है एंड वहाँ पे नहीं है. एंड आई फील दैट इट इज़ वेरी इनकन्वीनियंट फॉर द नेक्स्ट person who wants to come and stay. They have to put in a lot of money to kind of do that up, plus rent भी जाता है. तो इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से करके दिया है. The highlight of this house is the kitchen. If you see, they have used the space really beautifully and given storage
वेरी वेरी नाइसली, मतलब कोई उन्होंने जगह उसमें वेस्ट नहीं करी है। मतलब हमें ऐसे देख के लगता है कि बहुत स्टोरेज है, बट एक्चुअली जब रहने जाओ तो यार फुल हो ही जाती है। दिस इज़ द आउटसाइड एरिया जहाँ पे वॉशिंग एरिया है नेक्स्ट टू द किचन, वे यू कैन कीप योर washing machine, and all the drying area can be that area can be used up as a drying area. Let's exit. We're now going to be moving to the master bedroom. This is the area where they've kept for keeping the fridge, क्योंकि किचन थोड़ी छोटी है फ्रिज रखने के लिए, यहाँ पे आप रख सकते हो. This is a common washroom. It's a bath and toilet both. This is the master bedroom. So have a look at it. It has an attached toilet. All the tiling work is done nicely. So if somebody is coming and living alone, or even as a couple, if you want to come and stay, I think it's a nice flat. The price is also really exciting. वो मैं last में आपको बताऊंगी. Just have a look at the storage space again in this bedroom. Really nicely done up. 85 lakhs is the ask of the owner, and I think it's nice.
Power backup है पूरा, electricity, water backup, everything is there, security guard is there, and yeah, अच्छा है, it's good. See you on the other side.